In this video, I'll be showing how to place front fender liners on a Nissan Sentra. They are located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. All right, first we're going to want to raise and support our vehicle. You're going to want to use a 21mm socket to remove these 5 21mm lug nuts. Let's remove our wheel. Now we can make our way to the corner of the fender liner and locate this Phillips head screw. I'll be removing that. And set it aside. Now we're going to go ahead and use a trim tool to remove our push pin clips. Now, quick note, there should be another one here, but our vehicle is missing it. Now we're going to go under the back side of the fender liner and locate these 2 push pin clips. And there it is. Now we're going to move toward the brake hose and locate 1 push pin clip here. Now I'm going to move along to the front portion of the fender liner and locate these 4 last push pin bolts. Quick note, if the clips do break, it's a good idea to source some replacements. Now one more up here. Now for our last push pin clip on the upper side of the fender liner. Now I'm going to locate my 3 bolts. I have 2 8 and 1 10mm. Remove these. Now we're going under the fender liner and locating these 3 push pin clips. Now we go ahead and pull our fender liner out. Pull out on the tabs. Pull on the bumper. And pull it out of the vehicle. And pull it out of the vehicle. Now we're going to take our original fender liner, set it up, and remove our J nut. Use a flat blade screwdriver and just push it out. Set it aside. Now to remove this flap, I'm going to take a 7/64 drill bit and drill the rivets out. We'll grab a flat blade screwdriver and pry the back. Now we're going to take our flap and install our 3/16 and 5/8 rivet. Make sure it lines up. Now we can do the same for the other mounting holes. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our complete fender liner. Make sure it goes behind the ABS wire and on the other side the brake hose. Start by installing any clip. We'll be installing this one. And And finish up by installing all your other clips. Tuck the liner behind the bumper. Now let's go ahead and reinstall our J-nut. Simply just slide it over. You can slide the fender liner in the bumper. Now I'm going to move along to my 3 push-pin clips on the bottom side. Now I'm going to go ahead and snug down my 10mm bolt. And now my 2 8mm bolts. Now let's get the wheel in place and install all 5 of our lug nuts. We're going to tighten these up in a crisscross pattern. Now that my wheel is on the ground, I'm going to torque the fasteners to 83 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern. And that completes our install. Go ahead and test drive your vehicle, make sure there's no scrapes or noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.